Hi, I'm Ace, your tutor at UScore Academy. Let's learn money, coins, and bills together, step by step. Each coin is worth a different amount. A penny is 1 cent, a nickel is 5 cents, a dime is 10 cents, and a quarter is 25 cents. To count money, start with the biggest coins. Then skip count by each coin's value. A quarter, a dime, a nickel, and a penny goes 25, 35, 40, 41 cents. 100 cents make $1. We write dollars with a dollar sign. A $1 bill and 2 quarters together is $1.50. Let's count 2 dimes and 1 nickel. 10 plus 10 is 20, plus 5 more is 25. So that is 25 cents, the same as 1 quarter. So learn what each coin and bill is worth. Count the biggest first, then skip count to the total. And remember, 100 cents equals $1. Now you can count your money. Great work! Keep practicing with Ace at UScoreAcademy.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice.